Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Sort clothes into like colors and fabric types so washes match. Heavy items go alone to balance the drum. Check every pocket, zip zippers, and fasten hooks to prevent snags. Measure detergent. Use the machine or detergent label as your guide. Typically 1/2 dose for small loads, full dose for larger or heavily soiled loads. Once done, place items loosely in the drum. Do not overpack, because water and detergent must circulate for proper cleaning. You now dial in the wash. Pick a cycle that matches fabrics, delicate for lingerie, heavy for towels, because cycle length and agitation differ. Choose water temperature, hot for whites and heavy soils, cold to preserve colors and shrink-sensitive items. Set spin speed and soil level. Lower spin reduces wear and tangling. Add bleach or fabric softener into their dedicated dispensers. Never pour chemicals directly onto clothes. Once settings are set, close the door and press start. Listen briefly to ensure the machine fills and begins to agitate. You finish strong. Remove laundry promptly when the cycle ends to prevent mildew and wrinkles. Shake items out and hang or transfer to dryer based on care labels. After every few loads, clean the lint filter and wipe the rubber gasket. Leave the door ajar so the drum dries and odors don't form. If you see heavy vibration, stop and rebalance by redistributing items evenly. If the machine won't fill, check that water valves are open and hoses are not kinked. These simple checks fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.